Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you everything I got from Hobonichi 2025. I just wanted to start off and say thank you for everyone who has liked my videos and started subscribing. I'm really having fun here on this channel, and I'm really excited to share with you my new purchases for 2025 from Hobonichi. I looked on the site when I had to sign in and I realized my first order with Hobonichi was back in 2016, and it's so cool to see how this Japanese brand has just gone and blown up all over worldwide. So let's get started and open up what's inside this box. I haven't opened this yet. I've only just undone the tape. And last year I did do an order, and because I bought this tweed weeks cover, that it was sent in another box with this box like pristine. So unfortunately I didn't order that much this time around. So this box was a little tattered with this, but that's okay. I don't really keep the boxes, but I do love the light blue color with the brown text. It's beautiful. Okay, let me fix this better. Okay, let me open this up. And there is a quote here. You can pause it if you want to read it. They have that for every one of the boxes. And let's see what I got. Oh, wow. So let me just take everything out and I'll put it on the side and I can show you everything I got. Okay, first off, each order, if you order a planner book, you get a free pen. This doesn't count with the day-free versions, but for the weeks, A6 and Cousin, you get a pen. And this year's colors is this, I call it McDonald's, but it's basically an orange and yellow color. I don't know, a lot of people haven't really liked it. It doesn't really matter to me. I use these pens so much, and they are like my go-to pens to have in the kitchen. And I loved last year's colors. Let me show you. Here are some of the previous pens I have. This is 2018. This is full yellow. This is 2023. My daughter has this at the piano for when she makes notes. This was not bad too, with the brown and the black. This was my favorite. I love this like army green color with this brown. This is the 2024 version. I also have a pink one in the kitchen too. I don't have it here. So yeah, it's not that bad. I think it kind of will grow on me. I think it actually doesn't look as bad as in the photos. This is, you can see, really fluorescent green. I mean, when you're in the kitchen, as long as you have a pen that works well, it's great. And it's not like a airport plane pen. I'm okay with it. So we'll see. I mean, it's kind of nice to have around. Two of these are for me and one of this is for my mom. So, because one of these planners is hers. So I think it's always fun. I've been using these for years and I kind of like collecting them. And that's one of the reasons why I love shopping directly from Hobonichi, is to get the little free gifts. So, and even though I don't really use these on a daily basis, except for like quick notes in the kitchen. Go figure. Okay, one of the first things I got was, I love the A6 size. This is my A6 planner. I'll just turn to a page. And this is sort of like my memory keeper. This was like the trip to New York I had. I think I showed this in a previous video, and just kind of journaling in here. It's just enough size. I didn't use this the whole year, but I find it's a really good way to travel. And what I noticed is when I was in New York, stuff was falling out like on the plane. Like, look, I have these things on the side. I have these stickers. So I was like, oh, I really need to get a zip version. I really wanted the Cafe au lait one. I'll insert a photo. But that one was very expensive. And I thought, you know what? How about, I like this blue. I love blue. Let's just get one to try this whole zip around for A6 and see if it works well before I splurge on getting a really nice fabric one. I figured also this is easier to clean too. I really like this blue hue in person. So there's pockets here. So I figured this would be really nice for the A6. They packaged it really well. Oh, it's hard to take off. I'll deal with those later. I just want to try and see how this looks with this A6 inside here. Oh, wow. That's great. me just move these inside. Yeah, this is exactly what I need. So I can put everything here. Oh, and then there's this big pocket too. So I can put these stickers back here too. Yeah, this is great. And this way, when I'm on the plane or I'm doing something, everything kind of stays here. Because I was going to a cafe to like memory plan in here, and like stuff was falling on the ground. So this way it can stay in here a little better. Oh, I love this. This blue is very happy. It's coming off a little darker on the camera, but it feels really nice and like not like navy. It's just a tiny bit brighter than what it is on the camera, but wow, it's just really nice. Very classy. It's very soft feeling too. So, and there's a little gold foil text that says handwrite with the fountain pen logo here. That's really cute. So yeah, I got this. It wasn't very expensive. And for the A6, it was this blue color. And I can't remember, I think for the cousin one, I think it's a green, darker green. So this is, I'm going to try this out, but I really feel like this is the perfect size to carry around. I love the A6. And I can also put one of the Muji notebooks in here too. So that's great. So, okay, let me put this aside. What else did I do? Okay, so this will be the A6 Techo in English. I got the English one last year, and it was great. So this is the English original. And I did use, you can see how much mine is fluffed up a bit. And I didn't even really use it the full year, so it's been pretty good. I'm gonna do more, add more. It's not that bad, it's pretty good. I'm gonna add the tabs from the Coffee Monsters Co. on here as well, because it really makes it fun. I feel like for me, my Hobonichi is not technically my planner, but more of my creative outlet. And I know, it makes it more fun. I didn't want it to be too neutral and everything, which is why maybe I think this is better than just getting that Cafe au lait one. Just something vibrant and fun. It makes me want to pick it up. Okay, so that's the A6 version. Next, I have 2 weeks. And this one's for my mom, and this one's for me. And this is the Yumi Kitagishi design. Let's open it up. I did get the Yumi Kitagishi A6 cover last time. I got this one separately on Jet Pens because it was sold out on Hobonichi within the first 10 minutes. So I'm really happy to have this one. It doesn't, and I love this teal color inside. It didn't have any like designs on this cloth cover inside, but that's okay. But I really love this because there's like 2 little Pomeranians here. And that reminds me of my dog, Lulu. So I just love looking at all the animals. It's really fun and inspiring. So I'm glad I have this cover and can reuse it if I want to. But I realized traveling this year that the weeks was like the perfect everyday carry. And I go between putting notes in here, memory keeping, to like footing meals, like every week kind of changes. And I started using it again, like traveling, like what I'm, what do you call it? Like travel outfits and using note pages. I just like, you know what, let's just use it the best way I can and just try different layouts. So this one, I'm not going to be too strict on myself again. I'm just going to have fun. And yeah, this was actually wallpaper design for a dollhouse. So it's really cute. It looks like it almost looks like it's hand painted on this cover, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm going to have fun with this for this year, this coming year, 2025. And use this as an everyday carry because it's perfect for travel. When I am traveling, I am able to put everything down here and put like, notes on here. So it's really great. It's very thin and very light. And that's the key thing I need when I'm traveling. But I'm going to try and figure out how to integrate this more in my life week to week. I think sometimes it's a great way to pre-plan stuff. So, oh, I have something on my nail. It's a great way to pre-plan stuff and put it in here. And before you put it into other like planners, you kind of brain dump in here. Anyway, I find it really, really useful. I'm not 100% loving that it's not white pages in here. It's this cream colored. Let me show you. Where's the other? And the Hobonichi A6, it's much whiter. You can see, you can compare. So except, you know, here the grids are always gray in the Hobonichi Cousin and in the A6. Not the arts and science version, but this one has like every month is a different colored grid. Some people don't like that, which is why they use sterling ink, but I don't mind. Just for like a creative journal, I want to have some color in here. So yeah, this one has colors throughout the month. So that's that. And then let's open up. This is my mom's. She picked this one. It was like, I think it was called lemon something. Lemon water, which I don't know why it's blue, but just because the type in the oops, the type here has this like lemon yellow color here. So I kind of got my mom onto this too as well, for her to record all her health stuff. And so she'll be using this to, like, you know, make notes and put her, like, she's kind of gotten used to it and she likes this size. I had given her the mega and it was just too much paper because I thought she needed to write more, but this was actually much better. When she held mine and she was like, oh, yours is thinner. She wanted to go with this size rather than having all the paper. And inside the packaging for the weeks, there's these story, The Mystery of Techo Mask. Here. So I'm gonna be honest, it's a little bit scary. So it's like a little comic. I'm not really too sure what the whole thing is, but it's a Techo Mask character. So that's inside every Hobonichi weeks. Okay, and then let's go on to accessories. For my weeks, I did get the Yumi Kitagishi pencil board. I didn't get the A6 one or the cousin one. I might go to Amazon later on and get the A6 one. But it's so cute. Look how cute it is. Look at the little koalas, like in a little garden house. I mean, there's a little kitty cat here in her little bedroom. I mean, it's just like a little dollhouse here. So I thought these two will look so cute together and it'll make me happy. But I do use the pencil board. Not directly after the page I write, but usually a couple pages after, I'll put the pencil board there so it doesn't like go through the whole planner. Yeah, it's really adorable. Oh, and this one has like a little ruler on this back too. So yeah, some kind of little pop of color, and it just looks so cute together. I really like that. Okay, so let's see what else there is. Okay, so one of the essentials I have are these photo albums, and I use them to put stickers, like the Coffee Monsters Co. sticker sheets fit in here really well. And since I was doing an order from Japan, I figured, you know what, I might as well just place the order there because it's definitely a bit cheaper than buying it here on Amazon or JetPens. So I got 2 of these so I can put more stuff in here if I need to have stickers on the go. And they're very handy. Yeah, I just wanted to show you what this little photo album looks like. And there's like just clear slots in here, very simple. And you can like just put the sticker sheets at the top. So that's what it looks like. And it's very small and it fits in my Hobonichi large drawer pouch. This is the one I take on the go, and you can see it's pretty full. So I kind of wanted to have 2, like I don't even have room to put some stuff in here. So it'd be nice to have a second one so I don't have to make this one so thick. And then I just got an extra one just to have and keep on hand. So yeah, I'm looking forward to, I'm going to put some stuff in here to get ready for 2025. I did get some Coffee Monsters Co. Yearly stickers, and I love using her stuff for 2025 and all the tabs and everything. So that's what I like to do to keep organized. And I just feel like these little albums are just so easy to take on the go, not bulky at all, very nice and thin. And then I was just noticing when I was laying this out that this Yumi Kitagishi and this one, my A6 cover, they really match really well. So I didn't expect that. So that's a nice surprise that this will be my coming year. You know, my memory planner and just this everyday carry will look just really nice together. And it's just much more compact for me. I also got, going back to the weeks, these 2 plastic covers so it can protect my weeks, which I do over here. I have the plastic cover here. So I don't know, I find I get a new one every year because they get so dirty and dingy, and sometimes, you know, plastic kind of like just disintegrates over time. So I just get a new one. It's not expensive, so I get a new one every year. So I have these one for my mom and one for me. And then, oh, this is the free gift. I think I have one because I don't think it comes with the weeks, but it comes with the A6 planner. We'll see. They're like, this year their gift is a free notebook with like 4 different designs, and it's random. And so let's see which one I got. Oh, that's so great. This was like one of my first choices. This one or the like clover looking one with the green. But I like this one the best with the pink. I mean, I love pink. So this was so pretty. So it's just a little like A6 grid notebook. It's adorable. Actually, let's see if it fits in with my Hobonichi in here. Because I can just have this on one side and this can go on this side. Yeah, it fits perfectly. This would fit perfectly. It's a little tight to close, but yeah, this is really cute. Really cute. It's so handy to have like a nice grid notebook. Okay, so that's this one. Oops, I keep hitting the camera stand. I'm so sorry. Oh, and then I couldn't resist. I got 2 of the Deco Rush, kind of like tape washi, you want to call it. It's sort of like it's like a roller, and it's like it has the designs on there. So this one's a Yumi Kitagishi, and this is like little hearts, and this one I think goes down, and this is a sushi one. So let's open up and let's try this. And I will say I got other ones before, and it's very tricky to do. You have to make sure you're on a flat surface and you press hard so that looks even. Otherwise it breaks up. So you have to try it out and see how it goes. So let me open this up and I'll come right back and we'll do a little test. Here are these 2 little Deco Rushes. Super cute. Let's try this out. Let's do the sushi. I think the sushi goes across. I'll do it in the back here. Sushi goes across, so I'm gonna try and do this really well. Oh, that looks good. I feel like sushi is a staple in this household, so I don't know. Kind of when I memory plan and we have like go out for sushi, this is like the perfect little like washi, and it's so thin, and there's a little bit of ghosting on the other side, but it's just so thin, and you know it won't bulk up your planner. So let's try the Deco Rush for this one, the Yumi Kitagishi. We'll go down. Oh, I should have gone further, but okay. So that one's this rare little hearts. So cute. You can see it all the way down. So adorable. It feels really nice. So yeah, just make sure you press hard and you kind of go evenly down and just have a flat surface, and then it should be fine. So now, I love little Deco Rush. It's like a great way to like have a little decor and color in your planner without like, you know, when you have like all the washi tapes, it kind of starts to bulk up. So that's this Deco Rush stuff here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.